Now guys, next few minutes are going to make sure that your confusion in regards to vocabulary is sorted once and for all. Now before I start talking about vocabulary and its importance, I want to tell you that how important it is, and of course for how many marks and how many questions you're going to get it. Now let's talk about any of the examination guys. In IIFT you're going to get around 8 to 10 questions. In CET around 10 to 12 questions. In XAT you're going to get 5 questions. In any examination you're going to get heck lot of questions on vocabulary. In TISS examination around 10 to 15 questions. In SNAP guys, you won't believe it is going to be more than 15 questions on vocabulary, and Narsi Monji NMAT also got around 8 to 10 questions minimum. Now guys, these are the minimum numbers. Now the question comes that what is to be done? Now I know there are many shortcuts, tricks available in the market, but there is one blunder, the biggest mistake we all students do, and that is we try to memorize. Guys, trust me, you cannot memorize it. And if you think that yes you can, you know what is the outcome. If you try to memorize a word, no matter how hard you try, no matter how well read you are, after few hours or after few days you're going to forget it, and then you go into a trauma that oh my god, I invested so much of time but still I'm unable to understand it. How to overcome that problem? It's simple guys. First of all, you cannot memorize. I know people will say that yes, I have memorized, I've got great score in graduation. That is why, my friend, you do not remember much what you learn in your graduation or school. Now the point is this, how to overcome this issue? The answer is simple guys. There are few set of words that those set of words you can get online. I'm going to share the few links in the description box of the important words or words which are usually asked in any of the entrance examination, and with antonym and synonym, and also root word link I'll share in the description box. You can go through it, you can download it, and it's absolutely free. I will share that information with you. But then the trick is, do not try to memorize, just read them. Trust me guys, just read them. I know there are many songs available online, and they're going to say that there are few videos, they're going to say that in 30 minutes learn 100 words, in 30 minutes learn 500 words. Guys, these are all gimmicks, and you know that. You have tried to go through it. Some people are singing songs, they are trying to make sure that you get the hang of it. Guys, this is all bullshit. Stop it guys, you're not going to get anything out of it. What you need to do is, whenever you are going through the words, just try to read them and write them. You cannot be the classic. Yes, that's what you have to do. Whenever you are trying to learn vocab, make sure that you read, you write it, and then maintain a book or few pages where you are going through the words and writing the words which you do not know the meaning of. Now once these pages are done, you can go through them again. Now the trick is this. Of course, after a certain time, you're going to forget. As I said, you're not able to memorize, and you won't be able to memorize. But then there are two friends in the examination, and they're going to help you. And that is not me or anyone else, but the options and the sentence, the expression given by the sentence. In examination, no matter how complicated the word looks like, but after looking at the options, you will be getting the answer. The answer will click. So that is what the trick is. Or maybe if you have gone through the words, a sentence is given, fill in the blanks, maybe you do not know what kind of word is going to be there, but once you look at the option, trust me guys, you are going to get the answer. Let's take an example. I want you guys to go through the words which I have shared in the description box. Do not try to memorize it, just read and write and imagine some situation. For example, there are words like pellucid, there are puissant. I'm not going to give you the meaning because these words I've mentioned in the description box in the link. You go through them and imagine a situation and a person that relates to that word, and then write it, and then just relax yourself. Trust me guys, trust me, in examination, when you're going to get that word with the options, or when that word needs to be filled in any of the sentence, you're going to get the answer. I know sometimes I am not making sense to many people, but trust me guys, this is how you're going to do it. If you try to memorize it, it is not going to be of any use. There is no magic pill, there is no silver bullet. that I can give you to make sure that you score good in vocabulary. Now, how much time you need to invest? Around 10 to 15 minutes every day. Just go through this process for 10 to 15 minutes. I say more than 15-20 minutes. It depends upon you, how much time you have. Are you enjoying this process or not? And yes, there is a vocab puzzle also, a game on Merriam-Webster app. I'm going to share the link also, Merriam-Webster app. Make sure that you use it. So guys, keep only 3 things clear. The first is you cannot memorize, so do not try to do that. Second is stick to the classic, read and write and go through the words. And third, in examination, try to find the right answer by focusing on the options or the meaning expressed by the sentence. Make sure to check the description box. I'm going to give you the links of the important vocabulary and the root words. Thank you guys.